Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you guys are here because I wanted to do a video of my top 5 favorite jeans, and the reason I want to do this video is because I've always had trouble finding the right pair of jeans for my body type because I do have wide hips and a smaller waist, and I'm always dealing with like a gaping problem and sizing problem, obviously getting the right size from Zara, wrong size from Zara. So most of my jeans I bought last year, so I'm going to try to link all of them down below for you. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Ella. I do fashion and styling videos on this channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and let's just get started. So the first jeans I want to talk about is my Agolde crisscross jeans. These are probably the most unexpected pair of jeans I've ever bought. I went to the store and I was honestly at Aritzia just looking at a bunch of other things, and I saw this and I thought, you know what, why not just try it on? And honestly, this has probably become my favorite jeans ever. Like it looks so flattering on. I just thought the V in the front, the dip in the front would make me like somehow look unflattering on me, but I was so surprised. It looks so flattering on. I got this in a size 26. I love how these crisscross jeans just go straight down. And there's this beautiful like light blue color, which I think is so perfect for spring. And they are hemmed at the bottom as well. If you're 5'6", these will kind of hit you right at the ankle. So these I think are so perfect for spring. When I wore these, honestly, I did not see any gaping problem. They kind of fit me perfectly in all the right places. They look really casual, and I think you can also dress these up. I think this is really perfect for summer. I would recommend into your normal size for these jeans. Highly recommend. My favorite jeans. So my second pair of jeans that I really love are my Zara wide legs. I got these last year and I think they still have them, so I'm going to try to link them down below. They are this really nice, like a deeper blue. It's not like light blue. I think it's an in-between blue. And they go straight down, which I really love, and they are a wide leg. So this is the hem. So these ones have no rip in them, which I really do love because I do want a pair of jeans that has like no rip in them, that I can dress up easily and also dress down. I would probably wear these jeans casually with sneakers and a crop top. I think it would look really cute on. I got this in a size 6, so I did size up for these pants because I wanted like more of a casual oversized look. I also tried on the 4 as well last year, and they do fit me perfectly fine if you're going for like more of a snug look, but I recommend sizing up it just so if you want like an oversized, comfortable look. I do highly recommend them. 10 out of 10. Okay, so the next pair of jeans that I recommend for spring summer are these khaki jeans. I think they're beige, or you can call them khaki. So these ones are from Aritzia. I got them in a size 4. They're called the Greenwich pants. It comes in 4 different colors. I think it comes in like a navy color. I think it comes in a white color, black, and then this one. So it has contrast stitching everywhere. As you can see, it's white and the pants are beige, which I really loved about this. So this is like a utility type jeans. It has these 2 pockets here, and it has a pocket up here, and also like this thing over here, and at the back it's just like that. This is a high rise, which I really love. These jeans kind of cut me right off the ankle, so I can wear sneakers with this, sandals with this. The reason I really love these jeans is because I just wanted something that was not blue or white. I was looking for like a beige type pants, and I found these ones because I just wanted like a casual look. So I highly recommend these pants. I recommend wearing like a crop top, dressing them down with sneakers, but of course you can definitely wear this with a blazer and a pair of sneakers. I think that would look really nice too. So for these jeans, I recommend you going for like your normal size. You don't need to size up. And yeah, I really do love them. 10 out of 10. So next pair of jeans we're going to talk about are the Agolde jeans again. So these ones are the 90 jeans. I honestly fell in love with these jeans right when I tried them on. I got them in a size 26 as well, so stick to your normal size for these. The ones I went for are the ones that have rips in them. So it has like these 2 rips on the knee. I think this is the perfect kind of spring jean to have to wear casually, especially with sneakers. These ones go straight down, as you can see, so they go straight down. It is hemmed at the bottom, which I really like. I think the Agolde jeans are probably the most comfortable jeans I've ever worn in my entire life. Like, I did try on the Goldie jeans with no rips on them, I think, and I think I also tried on the Riley jeans, which are kind of cropped. I didn't really like them because they didn't really fit me that nicely around my waist. This one does. This one doesn't have any gaping in them at my back, which is like my main concern, and it fits really nicely around the hips. Usually I really stay away from straight legs. I rather just go for a wide leg because they're more flattering, but somehow I really love the fit of these. And yeah, I would just stick to your normal size. I would give this 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. So my last pair of jeans, which I really love, this is my favorite black jeans ever. These ones I got from Mango. So these ones have these two pleats in them in the front, as you can see. And at the back, they just have these two darts, which is really nice. So these pants go straight down, as you can see, and they're yay wide. I really love these jeans because they're cropped. Usually I don't really buy cropped jeans, but these ones look so flattering on. I tried these on with like dad sandals and they look so cute. I love the fit of these. The material of these jeans, I was not expecting. It's really soft. I really love how I can also dress this up and dress it down. I feel like you can wear this with a really nice blazer and dad sandals and put like a really cute belt on, or you can also dress this down with a white tee and some sneakers. Because they're so cropped, I think it just looks so elegant on. I got this in a size 6 US. Now they're really oversized on me. Like I wish I sized down for these pants, but I kind of like the oversized look anyways. But I'm gonna try to find these jeans and link them down below. And yeah, that's my review on these pants. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. That's all the items that I had for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.